External morphology. Size. Paramecium is a microscopic elongated organism. Its species vary in length from 80 microns to 350 microns. This can observe with the naked eye as a whitish spot. The largest species of Paramecium cordatum measures between 170 microns and 290 microns. The greatest diameter of the cylindrical body is about two-thirds of its entire length. Shape. Paramecium is often described as slipper-shaped. Its shape is usually constant, in general asymmetrical. Paramecium cordatum, which means slipper-shaped animalcule. The body is elongated, blunt and rounded at the anterior end and to some extent pointed at the posterior end. It is circular with greatest diameter behind the central of body. The anterior half of body is slightly twisted. The body is distinguished into an oral or ventral surface and an arboreal or dorsal surface. Oral groove. Ventral surface of body bears a prominent oblique and shallow depression called oral groove. It originates from the middle of body and extends to the left side of anterior end. Posteriorly, the oral groove leads into a deeper conical vestibule, which in turn communicates with a buccal cavity having a basal mouth or cytostome. Pellicle. External envelope of body is a living, clear, firm and elastic cuticular membrane called the pellicle. Under light microscope, the pellicle appears to be a regular series of polygonal or hexagonal depressions with their raised rims. A single cilium emerges out from the middle of each hexagonal space. Paramecium includes a series of three membranes: 1. Outer cell membrane, 2. Outer alveolar membrane, and 3. Inner alveolar membrane. Cilia. The entire body surface is covered by numerous tiny hair-like fine projections called cilia. These measure 10 to 12 micron in length and 0.27 micron in diameter. There are 10,000 to 14,000 cilia covering the whole body surface. These motile organelles are arranged in regular longitudinal rows. Their length is uniform throughout except for a few longer cilia at the extreme posterior end of the body, forming a caudal loft, hence the species name cordatum.